Meitei Mayak, goodbye forever. Never come back.
As a process of radicalization by the Kukizil community, the Manipuri language has been banned in the southern hill areas of Manipur. They start burning books written in Manipuri language. Yes, the Manipuri language, which is one of the official languages among the 22 official languages of the Indian Republic, which is included in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. Now it is banned in various hill regions of Manipur, which is also a part of India. Not only this, the Cookie Student Organization are now declaring the weekly holidays of the school, colleges, and government offices on Friday, not on Sunday. Now you can see their intention very clearly that it is not a majority, minority, or religious-based conflict. What is Ministry of Home Affairs still doing when their own citizen has been threatened by the foreign powers inside the soil of India? Mr. Modi, the great man of India, why are you still silent on this? To all the brothers and sisters from all across India, now it is time to wake up, to know the truth, to save India from the foreign invaders before it's too late.